Hi mga kaways, and welcome to Wise Testimonies. I'm Mark, your host for today. We have here two of the beautiful ladies from Wise Immigration who just went back from Canada. Hi, welcome. So please introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Beverly.
Hi, I'm Cheryl.
So, how's your experience? How's the temperature in Canada? Was it cold?
Grabe katog now, like, we first step foot ganit dito. Mura siya, pila gito ka degrees Celsius, mga 10 to 11, and mura na siya, nagnam na mong mga kamot, and dili na may kastorya kaya nanggahi na mong naong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, please let us know what's the reason why you went to Canada.
Okay, so the first reason nga naning ato may Canada is because, number one, we went there for the familiarization trip where we got to experience house life in Canada, and we were able to visit some schools sa dito, and mostly mo po na siya ang katong Niagara FamTrip and the ICEF.
Okay. So, you mentioned the ICEF. So, can you please let us know what's ICEF?
Okay, so ICEF is somehow a gathering of different education agents all over the countries, as well as kanang pundok sad siya sa mga schools. So we were able to talk to different schools and para makabalo mi sila mga programs og sa ilahang school.
Okay. Since you mentioned the schools, can you please cite some schools that were you able to engage there, Miss Cheryl?
Yeah, we are able to talk to our existing partner schools in Ontario, like Durham College, the Quentin University, the Thompson River University, and as well as we are able also to talk to U.S. schools, Manitoba and Quebec schools.
Wow, that's great. So, what were you able to talk with those schools?
We were able to talk about their programs and kung unsay like offer sa itong mga students, as well as sa ilahang school, kung asa sila na-locate and mga campuses.
Okay, so I've heard that this trip was sponsored by Niagara College, one of our partner school in Canada. So, how was Sir Eric?
Yeah, he is so very bubbly, energetic, and a dynamic. Sir Eric, as usual, Sir Eric is very supportive with us. Actually, he do the tour in Welland campus and in Niagara on the lake. So since he is in charge with the Southeast Asian agent, so he is the one who tour throughout the campus.
Okay. So, by the way, where were you living during your trip?
It's sponsored by Niagara College, and it's a hotel. Yeah, tagsa jud mig hotel. Kanang room, I mean, tagsa jud mig room, and then good for 4, but isa ra mi. And then what's amazing, it's luyura namo ang Niagara Falls.
Wow! So, were you able to see that beautiful nature there?
Yes.
Kaayo, as in, karaganing atubangan ang liwag Niagara Falls, mo panganga makahilak ka sa kalipay.
So, would you like to give some advices to anyone out there who is interested to study in Canada?
Yes, so my advices to those aspiring students or international students in Canada, number one is di ko siya lalim, no, kay once mag-student ka dito, back to zero ka. So there are a lot of adjustments to be done, especially jet lag. So naay daghan nga wa dire nga tuwa dito. So think about the benefit that you'll gain once you are a student there. So, ang imong qualification na mag-gain sad. So, also, dili sad siya lalim, of course, but with determination and hard work, I know nga makasurvive rin ka dito as long as dili na ka mamili trabaho. I know we Filipinos are very hardworking and dili humilion. So, just keep that in mind, and I know you'll survive as a student there.
Miss Cheryl, any advices?
Okay, to all the Filipinos who wants to study in Canada, so we had that first-hand experience. We visited schools. Kami mismo naka-experience the location, the weather, the people, and of course the school itself, the campus. So what I can advise to you is, of course, you have that dream to become a Canadian or to become a permanent resident, but you need to do the first step first. So it's not easy. You need to do a lot of adjustment, and then at first, yes, a culture shock jud ka, but definitely after 2 or 3 months, you gain a lot of friends. It's a diverse culture, so you have friends from Asians, Europeans, or Westerns. But of course, you have to do a lot of works and perseverance to achieve your dreams.
So thank you everyone. So before we end this conversation, I've heard that you want to say thanks to the people who is behind this trip.
First is I would like to thank you, Wise Immigration, to the management for this opportunity to join the familiarization trip sponsored by Niagara College. So I would like also to thank you, the people behind Niagara College, for this amazing experience that we have.
Yes, so I would also like to thank Ma'am Leia, Sir Ben sa financial sponsor or financial assistance, and this would not be feasible without them. Also to Niagara College for this familiarization trip that we were able to witness the beauty of nature. So mo to siya, thank you kayo sa tanan nga na feasible jud ang trip.
Thank you ladies for making it happen here. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and for the next edition of Wise Testimony, please follow and visit our Facebook page. Bye!